I'm so excited for the race. I feel like I can win.
Yay! I think you will win, Crumble. Let's get milkshake.
Yay, let's get one.
Hey girls, what would you like? We got milkshakes. Special.
I would like chocolate milkshake, please. And you candlehead.
Strawberry milkshake for me, please.
Okay, Crumbelia, and can't let you guys can wait in the cafe and get your milkshakes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, girls.
These milkshakes are so good. What was that?
Don't snow candlehead.
Okay, let's see what the problem is. Oh, hiccup, it's that easy to get rid of. Let me help you. We can get rid of them in a jiffy.
Oh, okay, Lemonina.
Here you go, Crumbelia. Some water. Drink it. It'll make you feel better. Hopefully.
Oh, it didn't work.
We still got more ideas. We've tried everything. What are we going to do?
I got an idea. I'm going to jump her off Diet Cola Mountain and Cownhead if I don't make it out life. I just wanted to say you are my best friend.
Wait, what? Crumbelia, I saved you.
What happened?
My hiccup are gone.